Welcome back, guys. We've talked about the general settings, the writing settings, the reading settings. Now we're going to go to discussion settings and see what it's all about. Now this is discussion settings, and in discussion settings we have default post settings. Now at the default post settings we have some couple of check mark we can check, and here we have attempt to notify any blogs linked to you from the post. So when a blog is linked to your post, it's going to notify them. You can check this, but we're going to leave that unchecked. Allow link notification from other blogs, you can allow this, but we're going to uncheck this. Allow people to submit comments on new posts, so you can allow comment right here or disallow comments. I was telling you about allowing comment and disallowing comment on your blog or your website. So with this you can allow comments or disallow it from here, but since we are running a blog we need comments, so we're going to allow people to submit comments on new posts. And other comment settings says comment author must fill out name and email. If you don't want this, you can uncheck this so that people will be able to comment without having to fill in their name and email address. Here it says users must be registered and logged in to comment. So this is another section where if you click on this, a user needs to be registered before they can make comments, but we are going to uncheck this. And this says automatic close comment on post other than 14 days, so you can set all this to moderate your comments, but we're going to leave that unchecked. Here it says show comments cookies opt in check box, allowing comment auto cookies to be set. We're going to uncheck this and enable threaded nested comments. This shows different levels of comments. When a comment is being placed, then we are going to have different levels of comments. For instance, just the way Twitter is, if you are familiar with Twitter, for instance, when you create a comment, let's say let's just say umding. So when you create an umding, then it's going to post the comment. When you reply here and say ding it's going to create a thread of comments beneath this. So I'm going to post ding and I'm going to see what we meant by threaded comments. So as you can see under this ding comes in. So that's what it means by enable threaded nested comments, which goes 5 levels deep. So it can take 5 of these threaded comments, but we're not going to set that, or we are going to set that let's take 5 levels deep. And you can break comments into pages with 50 top level comments comes first and others comes last. So we're going to leave it right here. We're going to just leave all this. You can come back here if you are creating a blog and set all these things. Something about WordPress is just that you should know how to work around it and see what it's all about. It's as simple as that. It's just a click, drag, drop kind of feeling. So you just have to walk around it and see what it entails. Now email me whenever anyone posts a comment. This email will be sent to your admin email. When anyone posts a comment, you are going to get a notification in your email box, and a comment is held for moderation. You are going to get that notifications too in your email box. You can check it and you can uncheck it, but let's leave it like that. Before a comment appears, comments must be manually approved. That's, you have to, people cannot just post comments and it will start showing. You have to approve it manually. We can do it that way. Or comment author must have a previously approved comment. When you've approved someone's comments and the person makes comment again, the person comment will be approved when you check this, but we're going to uncheck this. And comment moderation, hold the comments in queue if it contains 2 or more links. If a comment contains link, you can hold it, but we are going to make it 1 link. If a comment has 1 or more links, we are going to, the comments will be held for review because the link can be malicious. So we are going to leave it at 1 this way. When a comment contains maybe fuck word, all those words that are not befitting for a blog, you can actually put them here. Scam, all those words that are abusive, you can put them here so that whenever anyone posts a comment and those words are in it, is going to be held. The comments will be disallowed and will be held. And same as here, when a comment contains any of these words, is going to disallow the comment. You have to approve the comments if it goes or not. And that's all about comments moderation in this discussion part. And the avatars is a very interesting one. This is an example of an avatar. This is an avatar right here. You can show avatar or don't, but we just show avatar because these are default avatars. You can see, as you can see here, that's default avatar, and we're going to leave it right there. You can change to this avatar logo, you can change to any of these, and you can leave it blank if you want to, but let's just leave it this way and save changes. And we're going to go to the next settings session in our next video, which is the media settings. We're going to see what it's all about in the next video. I hope to see you there.